his pilot's license. Where the hell is that motherfucker?
To my father's black card, to my black card.
God, I haven't done Sambuca since I was 20 years old. Yeah! I'm the king of the world! Let's go. Did he fucking pass out? Hold the door! Yo, Jason, get in! Get in! You're crazy, Jay! I learned from the best! Yeah! Woo!
People think you're crazy, huh? Jumping out of airplanes, flying like birds. That is crazy. I like this phone. This is a nice fucking phone. So, what do we have here? Grant and Jason from California, huh? Well, I hope your mama and your papa really, really love you, because you two white boys, you look very expensive, and that's good because I like expensive things. I'm sorry. What did you say? What did you say? Do you want me to slice you open like I did your friend? Shut the fuck up! Okay? I'm the one with the fucking dick. Look at me. Look me in the fucking eye. Hey! You fuck! Look me in the eye. You're my bitch. I rule this fucking kingdom. Shut the fuck up, or you die. What is it, Jason? Jason, what is it? Why aren't you laughing now like you did up there? But is this not fun anymore? Have I failed to entertain you? You see, the thing is, up there, you thought you had a chance. Way up in the fucking skies, you thought you had your finger on the pussy trigger. But hermano, down here. Down here. You hit the ground. It's okay. I'm gonna chill, I'm gonna relax because you, Wah, and your tough guy brother, we're gonna have a lot of fun together while we wait for the money.
Stop scaring the hostages. I need you to take care of the rejects.
I just hope that you two pieces of fox are more entertaining than your friends. Ta-ta. Bye-bye. Get you every fucking time, man.
Fucker! You hurt? I don't think so. I have to find the others.
How?
Working on it. Cold guard.
What?
Cold guard. Do it.
Hey, over here!
The fuck? Hey, you guys shut the fuck up!
Shit! Holy fuck, he's dead.
That is what they teach you in the army. Follow me. Jay, you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Bullshit, Ruth.
Come on.
Why would I lie about this?
Keep
You're
low.
a jackass. The burnout and his parents are rich. We'll get more money from him than any of the others.
Oh, man.
Why do I always have to do this? Why is it always me? I get picked to do the bad things. It fucking sucks. I'm wet. Look at me. This is not the life
Crouch down.
I want.
Shit. Dogs. Hold on, stop. Shut up.
What is that guy going off about? He's like you.
Stay quiet.
Okay. Those things are starting to work. If you're going to give me that kind of food, expect what's coming back.
Oh, God. Grab our stuff and the map. Pick up that phone, too.
Reporting in. Hey, who's on?
Keep moving. Hold on, what? Damn, we need to get him out of our way. Throw a rock over there. Okay. Hide. Okay, it worked. Let's move. Okay, I'm coming. Shit, dude.
Who is that?
Oh, shit.
What the fuck?
Holy shit. Oh, God. I can't do this, Grant. Jay, look at me. I can't find Lisa and Riley and the others without you. So pull it together. Okay? Okay, I'm sorry.
I really was. I laughed. Cried some more.
Oh my God, there's so many of them, man.
What time thing?
It's that psycho.
Shit gets old very, really fast. Just said we just received a call. Fuck the call. Nobody wants to pay for you.
There we were, sitting around waiting for him to come. And before you know it, he had 2 others with him. We sat
Go.
Quick. Hide in the plants.
Yeah.
Never had that before.
Right behind you. This is a fucking nightmare, man. Fucking
Let's go. This is my favorite. When the slide action is...
We have to get past him.
Then you can do
Throw a
anything,
rock there.
And then no one can even stop you. When you have that gun, you can pull it at someone's head, and then they will know that you are a very serious person. When you come correct, then...
All right. Let's go.
Okay.
Those things are starting to work. Shit! It sounded like something.
Where are we?
It's our way out.
Please don't hit me. Don't hit me. Beginning is so empty, please.
Save me, please!
In here.
Too damn hot. Someone just fucking...
I'm not afraid. No, please.
Oh, no! Save me, please!
I'm not afraid. No, please.
Where are we? We never should have made that jump alone. I promised Dad I'd take care of you two.
Does it say where Riley is?
We're gonna find him. We're gonna free the others, and then we're going home.
No! Stay with me, Grant! Please, don't die! Hold on, Grant, hold on! Oh God! No!
I mean, you wanna fuck with me? You wanna fuck?
Grant! Grant!
I like that. No, I respect that. I'm gonna give you 30 seconds. And if this jungle doesn't eat you up alive, fucking tough! I said, get the fuck out of here, you chicken fuck! Run, Forrest! Run! Run, Forrest! Run! Fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh,
No, no, no! Oh!
I see him! He's dead! You're going down!
I gotta get out of here. Ah, fuck! Come on, climb! Climb! I have to find Riley and the others. Please let them be alive.